Welcome to Educating You, where we discuss real estate and provide you with real estate knowledge. The purpose of this channel is to provide a zero-cost way to inform you about real estate topics. I'm Tim Yew. I'm a real estate investor and entrepreneur, and currently the broker of record for RE/MAX Real Estate Solutions here in Toronto. Just as a quick disclaimer, this is not legal, tax, or financial advice. If you want to consult your local experts in regards to these matters, please do so. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register for a Tarion warranty account and where to get this information from. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into the Tarion.com website, and you're going to click on My Home. And then when you click on My Home, it's going to show you this screen. I'm going to click on Register, and I'm going to click this first. I'm a owner of a freehold home or a condominium unit. And then I did purchase directly from the builder, so I'm going to click yes. Did I sign the agreement of purchase and sale before February 1st, 2021? In this case, I did yes. Did I receive the warranty information sheet with your agreement? Yes, I did. And did I participate in the pre-delivery inspection, the PDI, with your builder? Yes, I did. So they're going to ask you to fill in the enrollment number. So to get this information, so you're going to have to go into your certificate of completion. This is your warranty certificate. So in the top section here, you'll see the home warranty number. So I'm going to input this number into the field here. Okay, and as soon as I do, and I click I'm not a robot, it will automatically fill in the warranty start date. So I'm going to click next. One thing to note is that if your warranty date did not start yet, you cannot register for Tarion home warranty. So just keep that in mind. Automatically, it should have filled in your user information. I'm going to create a user ID. So I'm going to just type in the unit number and then like the building name. Okay. Check the availability. It is available. I'm going to put in the main contact phone number. So I'm going to enter in the phone number, and then I'm going to scroll down. So I just scroll down. Is your mailing address the same as your civic address? In this case, it is no. If it's yes, just click yes, and then your mailing address will automatically appear. And then you can agree to the terms of the use and then proceed to the next section. In this case, it's no. So I'm going to fill in the mailing address here, and then add in the postal code. I want to receive the official correspondence from Tarion electronically, and I agree to the terms of use, and I'm going to click submit. So as soon as I click submit, Tarion sent me an email notification asking me to verify the account and to create a new password, which I already did. So I'm going to go back in and log in to see if the account is active. So I've inputted my username and my password that I just created, and then click login. So I was able to log in successfully. Some things to note is your important dates. Right now it shows me that I have till October 18th, 2024 if I want to submit a delayed occupancy closing form. And I can show you how to do that in my next one of my next videos. Also, what's important is a 30-day form. So I have till November 28th, 2023 to submit the 30-day form, which is going to be any deficiencies that are in your property. I'm going to also show you how to do that in another video as well. Another important date is your 30-day form, which is pretty much your next step, what you have to do. I'm going to go in and make sure all the deficiencies are taken care of. And if they're not, I'm going to show you how to file your 30-day form. So I'm going to scroll down just to see what else there is. So you can see that there's active forms. When it's active, that means you can actually submit a claim. So in this case, this property was actually delayed for their occupancy. So I'm going to actually submit a delayed occupancy claim form. Because it's still in occupancy, we can actually make this claim and then try to get the money adjusted on the closing date. If you've already closed on the property, then you're going to have to claim this from the builder, and the builder is going to have to pay you back directly. But since the builder hasn't closed on this property yet, we could try to get the money adjusted on the occupancy closing. If you want to see if you qualify for delayed occupancy compensation, which can be up to $7,500, click on this video here. If you're learning from or enjoying this video, please subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. That's a terrific free way to support us. If you have any questions for me or comments about the video, please put those in the comment section below, as we do read all the comments. Thanks for watching to the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video.